Tired of payment processing headaches stopping you from running your Etsy empire? Today, we're going to show you how to connect your bank account to your Etsy shop using Plaid, making transactions smooth and secure. First, log into your Etsy shop manager and navigate to the Finances section on the left-hand side. Then, click on Payment Settings. Here, you'll find the section to connect or update your bank details. Look for a button that says something like Connect with Plaid or Verify with Plaid. The wording may vary slightly. Click that button. Plaid's secure interface will pop up. Plaid will present you with a list of banks. Find your bank in the list. You can also use the search bar if you don't see it immediately. Once you find your bank, click on its logo. Plaid will then prompt you to enter your online banking username and password. Don't worry. Plaid uses bank-level security to protect your information, and Etsy never sees your login credentials. Enter your information and follow the on-screen instructions, which may include multi-factor authentication. After successfully logging in, Plaid will ask you to choose the bank account you want to link to your Etsy shop. Select the appropriate account. Once you've selected your account, you'll be redirected back to Etsy, and your bank account should now be successfully connected. You might need to confirm some details. And that's it. You've successfully linked your bank account to your Etsy shop using Plaid. Now you can enjoy seamless payment processing and get back to creating amazing things.